Self-checking is one of the most fundamental human performance tools. This tool helps you focus on the task you're about to perform. Having a healthy questioning attitude will help with the self-checking process. This tool requires you to look for potential hazards in your own work. S in STAR stands for stop. This is before you perform the critical step. This is where you get your thoughts together and get ready for the intended action. Stop what you're doing. Take a moment to focus and mentally prepare for what you're about to do. Research proves that simply stopping for a moment to focus on the task increases the chance you will be successful. T. T in STAR stands for think. This is where you start thinking about your actions. This is where you think about things like what could go wrong, what is the expected outcome, what am I about to do? Think through the action you're about to take. Be sure you're ready to perform the step. What should you expect to see happen when you take the step? Thinking about the step you're about to take will give you another chance to see if something is out of place. It's all about thinking about the action before performing it. A. A in STAR stands for act. This is the point of no return. This is the actual task you will be performing. Take the action that you stopped and thought about. Act conservatively and look for any signs that something is not right. R. R in STAR stands for review. This is the review of the work that was performed. This is where you make sure that the outcome was as expected and there should not be any surprises. Review what just happened when you took the action. Did you get the result you expected? Is anything out of ordinary that you need to consider before you perform your next step? Self-checking is about personal responsibility and giving you the tools to be successful and work safely and efficiently.